Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm very excited for this video because I will be using the e.l.f. Cosmetics new collection. This is their eyeshadow palette. I have the blush and the highlighter palette and also the liquid lipstick and the lip gloss, and I fell in love with this collection. Two of my friends, Yuri and Kathleen, they created this collection along with 3 other girls. All the eyeshadows right here, they're so gorgeous. The pigment, the formula, the shades, everything is perfect about this palette. They all swatched so pretty, so I was excited to use this palette. This video won't be a first impression because I have already used this before, and I just wanted to show you how awesome this eyeshadow palette is. Now let's just start the tutorial. I'm going to start by using this e.l.f. Cosmetics crease brush, and the yellow one right here is going to be the first one I'm going to use, and I don't get a lot of fallout, and I do get a lot of the product on the brush. And I'm going to apply this right on my crease, just going back and forth. I love that this eyeshadow is buildable. If you want a little bit more pigment, you just keep adding more layers. This is the second layer right here and it's so nice. I'm using the same brush to blend it out. All I did is like take the excess powder off, tapping it or taking it off on the back of my hand, and then I'm just going over the eyeshadow to try and blend it out better. Now I'm going to take this brush from BH Cosmetics and I'm going to go into this shade right here. I'm going to apply it on my crease, but I'm going to make sure it doesn't go as high, like close to my eyebrows, as the yellow one. I'm going to try to keep it slightly above the crease. And as you can see, I'm applying it from corner to corner, from here all the way over here, but I don't connect it to the other corner over here. I'm just going to leave it right there. And now I'm going to get this other brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's also a crease brush, but it's a different one. And I'm going to go into one of my favorite shades in this palette, which is the blue one. And I'm going to apply it right on the outer part of my eye, the outer corner. And I'm going to tap it on first and then blend it out. And slowly I'm going to start blending it out into my crease. This pigment is with just one layer of that eyeshadow, which is not bad. And it blended out very nicely. Now I want to see, I'm going to add a little more just to see if it's buildable. If I can deepen up the shade. And it looks like it is. Now I'm going to take the excess powder off just like that and start blending it out with the very tip of the brush. Very lightly. I'm gonna go back to this BH Cosmetics brush and dip into the yellow eyeshadow, and then that's just going to help me blend out the blue eyeshadow better. Now I'm going to get this brush just to remove the powder that fell under my eyes. What happened? Did she poop?
Nothing. Just saying hi. Does that not film?
Yeah.
Sorry. She don't like it.
Now I'm going to get this little brush from Coastal Scents and I'm going to apply the blue eyeshadow right under the outer part of my lower lash line. I'm going to stop right in the center and then apply just a little bit more of the blue eyeshadow right on the outer corner and slowly start blending it out very lightly, like wing it out pretty much. Now I'm going to take this brush from Anastasia and I'm going to go into the yellow eyeshadow and apply that on my lower lash line. I'm just going to really quick grab the blue eyeshadow again and put it on top of that because it kind of faded away. I'm going to take the CoverGirl concealer and the Real Techniques detailer brush to apply it on my eyelid. With the same little brush, I'm going to get this shadow right here. This tutorial is kind of the same as the previous tutorial I uploaded. I'm just going to apply the shimmery eyeshadow on the very edge of the concealer. Now I'm going to get this flat brush from Anastasia and I'm going to get this shimmery eyeshadow right here. And I'm using the brush dry and it does pick up a lot of the shimmer and it's gorgeous. I'm going to apply it on my whole eyelid like this. And you can see that the white isn't blended out that good with the gold one. So I'm going to take the tip of the brush and kind of blend those two out just on the edge. And again, I'm taking the blue eyeshadow. I'm going to put it on the outer corner to deepen up the color a little bit more. I'm gonna get this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil and put that on my waterline. I'm almost done with this look. The only thing left is the highlight that I put on my brow bone, and I'm going to use this eyeshadow right here. Why is she crying?
She misses you. She keeps scratching the door. No? You don't want her here?
Yeah, she can stay.
Okay.
This eyeshadow is super gorgeous, and it obviously looks good as a brow bone highlighter. I actually need one more thing. I'm going to get this shadow right here and put that on the inner corner of my lower lash line. Before I apply the blush, I'm going to bronze up my face a little bit using the Anastasia bronzer. This one's in Rich Amber, and I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics blush brush to bronze up my cheekbones. I'm also going to put a little bit on my forehead. And for the blush, I'm going to get this one right here. Just a little bit. It looks, oh my god. It picked up a lot of the blush, so I'm going to tap the excess off and then just smile a little bit so my cheekbones can go up, and tap it right there. Ooh, that's a very pretty shade. It's super pigmented, so I got a powder brush to kind of take some of that blush off because I didn't want it to be so dark. Now my favorite part, the highlighter. I'm gonna get this eyeshadow, or I just said highlighter. This highlighter, I'm using the Morphe brush. It doesn't have the number, but I'll have everything in the description box below. And I'm going to apply it right here. I love gold toned highlighters. They are my favorite. Look at how gorgeous the pigment is. Oh my god. I'm also adding some of that highlighter on my forehead. I'm going to grab some with my finger to put it on the tip of my nose. Oh my god, that's very pigmented. And of course, I'm going to use their lipsticks. This one's a liquid lipstick, and this one is a lip gloss. I'm going to start with the liquid one. This one's super pigmented. Very, very pretty, and it feels so lightweight on the lips. And I love the applicator. It makes it so easy to outline the lips. Like, if you're like me, I don't like lip liners to outline my lips. I don't use that, so this is so helpful how the applicator is. I don't know if you guys can hear my dog. She's right next to me and she's snoring. I'm gonna let it dry before I apply the lip gloss. Oh god, I think I found my favorite fall lipstick. Yep, so far this one's my favorite one. Now I'm applying the lip gloss, and I love this one as soon as I applied it because it doesn't feel thick and it's not sticky at all. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this look, please give this video a big thumbs up. Share it if you'd like. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my Snapchat. Go ahead and check them out. I will have the link to their website in the description box below. You guys will love them. I definitely recommend them. Leave some comments. Let me know what you think. Did you like this look? Did you like the palette? Would you buy it? And if you have any other video requests, leave them in the comments below. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.